Class 12 school student from India builds human-carrying drone. Mind-boggling and inspirational. In a groundbreaking achievement, Medhansh Trivedi, a Class 12 student from Scindia School in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, has developed a human-carrying drone named MLDT-01. This remarkable invention is a testament to the capability of young innovators to challenge existing technological paradigms and achieve new milestones. With the capacity to carry an 80-kilogram passenger at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, this drone represents a significant advancement in personal aerial mobility and showcases the potential of drone technology to address pressing challenges across various sectors. Medhansh's journey, filled with challenges, determination, and ingenuity, reflects not only his technical capabilities but also his vision for a future where drones revolutionize transportation, agriculture, logistics, and emergency services. His story highlights the critical role of mentorship, the importance of resource optimization, and the need for ongoing innovation in addressing technological limitations. For those viewers who are interested in more information regarding drone development projects in India and their updates, please find links to various videos previously uploaded in this channel within the playlist available at the end of this video. Details for this video has been gathered from news reports of December 9, 2024, December 8, 2024, December 6, 2024 and December 3, 2024. My friend, welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. Every like received for a video increases its chance to be recommended to other like-minded people by the YouTube algorithm. Hence please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Genesis of MLDT-01. A visionary start. Inspiration from Chinese technology. The seeds of Medhansh's innovation were sown during his middle school years, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic when online learning allowed him to explore his passion for drones. His journey took a significant turn when he encountered a YouTube video showcasing China's advanced air taxi services. While fascinated by the technology, he was struck by its prohibitive cost. This realization inspired him to envision an affordable Indian version of air taxis that could cater to the general population. Medhansh's vision wasn't just about creating a drone but about democratizing access to aerial mobility. Early fascination and support. Medhansh's inclination toward innovation was evident from a young age. His teacher, Manoj Mishra, recognized his potential as early as Class 7. Mishra, a mentor and innovator himself, provided both technical guidance and emotional support, nurturing Medhansh's interest in exploring uncharted technological territories. This combination of curiosity, mentorship, and practical experience laid the foundation for the creation of MLDT-01. The technical marvel. Features of MLDT-01. Design and structure. The MLDT-01 drone is meticulously designed with dimensions of 1.8 meters in length and width, emphasizing a compact yet robust structure. The drone's lightweight frame, made from durable materials, strikes a balance between portability and structural integrity, ensuring stability during flight. The aerodynamic design minimizes drag, optimizing its performance in the air. Propulsion and power. At the core of MLDT-01 lies a 45-horsepower propulsion system, powered by 4 high-capacity motors commonly used in agricultural drones. These motors are driven by lithium polymer (LiPo) batteries, chosen for their high energy density and lightweight characteristics. This propulsion system enables the drone to reach speeds of 60 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest human-carrying drones in its category. Flight capabilities and safety features. The drone has a maximum flight time of 6 minutes and can carry a passenger weighing up to 80 kilograms. To prioritize safety, the drone's altitude is currently restricted to 10 meters. Safety mechanisms include collision avoidance sensors, to prevent mid-air collisions and ensure a smooth flight path. Emergency landing system, to mitigate risks in case of system failures. Stable flight control, ensures precise navigation and stability during flights. These features reflect Medhansh's focus on creating a user-friendly and safe drone, even in its prototype stage. Challenges and triumphs. Resource constraints. The development of MLDT-01 required an investment of 3.5 Indian rupees lakh, a significant sum for a student. Limited access to advanced resources and funding posed challenges, but Medhansh's determination and resourcefulness allowed him to make the most of what was available. Time pressure. Completing such a complex project within just 3 months required immense dedication and efficient time management. Balancing academic responsibilities with the demands of the project further highlighted Medhansh's commitment to his vision. Overcoming technical hurdles. Designing a drone capable of carrying human weight involved complex calculations and innovative problem-solving. From selecting appropriate motors to optimizing the drone's structural integrity, each step required meticulous planning and execution. Manoj Mishra's guidance was instrumental in navigating these technical challenges. Applications and future prospects. Transportation. Medhansh envisions drones like MLDT-01 as a game-changer for urban transportation. Air taxis can alleviate traffic congestion in cities, offering a faster and more efficient mode of travel. With further advancements, these drones could operate at higher altitudes and for longer durations, providing an alternative to traditional road-based vehicles. Agriculture. The use of drones in agriculture is gaining traction globally. MLDT-01 could revolutionize the sector by enabling precise spraying of fertilizers and pesticides, monitoring crop health and transporting goods to remote areas. Its affordability could make such technologies accessible to small-scale farmers. Emergency services. Drones equipped with medical supplies could play a vital role in delivering aid during emergencies. From transporting patients in remote areas to providing critical supplies during natural disasters, MLDT-01 has the potential to save lives. Logistics and deliveries. The logistics industry can benefit from drones capable of carrying heavy loads. MLDT-01's payload capacity and speed make it an ideal candidate for transporting goods quickly and efficiently. Hybrid models for enhanced performance. Medhansh plans to upgrade MLDT-01 into a hybrid model, combining electric and fuel-based systems. This would enhance the drone's range and flight time, making it suitable for more demanding applications. Hybrid models could also reduce reliance on battery technology, which remains a limiting factor in drone performance. Recognition and mentorship. Acknowledgement by prominent figures. Medhansh's innovation has earned widespread acclaim, including praise from Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia and ISRO Chief S. Somanath during the Foundation Day celebrations of Scindia School. Their recognition underscores the importance of encouraging young innovators and highlights the potential impact of Medhansh's work on India's technological landscape. The role of Manoj Mishra. Manoj Mishra's mentorship has been a cornerstone of Medhansh's success. His ability to foster creativity and provide technical expertise exemplifies the importance of supportive educators in nurturing young talent. Mishra's influence extends beyond technical guidance, instilling confidence and resilience in his student. Broader implications for drone technology. Economic impact. Affordable human-carrying drones like MLDT-01 could revolutionize industries, from logistics to healthcare. By reducing operational costs and increasing accessibility, such innovations have the potential to create new economic opportunities, particularly in underserved regions. Social impact. The democratization of aerial mobility could address critical challenges in rural connectivity, urban congestion, and disaster response. Drones could become an integral part of daily life, providing services that were previously inaccessible or cost-prohibitive. Environmental considerations. While drones currently rely on battery-powered systems, advancements in renewable energy could make them more sustainable. The transition to hybrid or fully electric drones could significantly reduce carbon footprints, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Challenges in scaling the innovation. Despite its potential, scaling the MLDT-01 drone for widespread use presents challenges. 1. Regulatory barriers. Developing regulations for human-carrying drones is essential to ensure safety and standardization. 2. Battery limitations. Improving energy density and efficiency in batteries remains a key challenge. 3. Public acceptance. Building trust in drone technology requires addressing safety concerns and demonstrating reliability. Addressing these challenges will require collaboration between innovators, policymakers, and industry stakeholders. Conclusion. Pioneering the future of mobility. Medhansh Trivedi's journey with the MLDT-01 drone is a shining example of how curiosity, determination, and mentorship can drive innovation. In just 3 months, he has created a prototype that not only demonstrates technical excellence but also lays the groundwork for transforming personal mobility and logistics. The potential applications of human-carrying drones extend far beyond transportation, offering solutions for agriculture, healthcare, and emergency response. With continued support and investment, projects like MLDT-01 could redefine how we live and work, making aerial mobility an integral part of modern life. As Medhansh looks to the future, his aspirations to develop hybrid drones, air taxis, and affordable helicopters signal a bold vision for a more connected, efficient, and sustainable world. His story serves as an inspiration to young innovators everywhere, reminding us that with imagination and perseverance, the sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Stay tuned for further developments on these projects. Do let us know your thoughts on the subject in the comments section. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media network. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. Thank you.